Is your shower valve leaking, dripping, or struggling to hold the right temperature? In this video, I'll show you how to replace the PBU, pressure balancing unit, in a Kohler Rite-Temp valve, install the new parts, and dial in your water temperature. Welcome back to Plumbing Fix USA, the channel where we break down home plumbing repairs step by step, so you can skip the expensive service call and get it done yourself. Step 1. Shut off the water supply. Start by shutting off the water supply to the valve. Remove the handle, trim, and escutcheon, and set them aside. You'll need them later. Turn the handle clockwise to release any leftover water pressure in the line. Then grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the valve cap screws. Keep a towel handy. Some residual water will likely drain out when you take the cap off. Step 2. Remove the old PBU. Grip the PBU with a pair of large pliers and twist it about 45 degrees to pull it free from the valve body. Once it's out, toss the old unit and get your replacement ready to go in. Step 3. Install the new PBU. Press the new inlet seals into the grooves on the replacement PBU, then lubricate them. Be careful not to let the seals rub against the rough inlet or outlet openings during installation. That can damage them. Insert the new PBU at a 45-degree angle, then push down while turning it counterclockwise until it clicks into place. Lubricate the upper seals and fit them onto the 2 outlet ports. Put the valve cap back on and secure it with all 6 screws. Turn the water supply back on and check carefully for leaks. Once you've confirmed everything's sealed properly, reinstall the escutcheon, trim, and handle. Step 4. Adjust the temperature. Open the valve fully and let hot water run for a few minutes. Check the temperature with a thermometer. For small adjustments, a hex wrench does the trick. For bigger changes, remove the O-ring and collar from the valve stem. Then slowly rotate the stem until you hit your target temperature. Reinstall the collar with the set screw against the tab. Put the O-ring back on, shut the valve, and retest with the thermometer. If this video helped you out, do me a favor. Drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more plumbing fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.